Apparently the phone just decided to turn itself off for no particular reason. I have no idea why. But here we are back with the Faber-Castell Artist Pen S for small or soft. Whoop, not sure, but there you go. Okay, so I'm just going to come in here and I'm going to enhance the lettering a little bit with a very dry marker apparently, but it's okay because it's just maybe giving me enough ink. Well, and I need a little. I'm just wet my finger. Excuse me, that wasn't my finger. It's the end of the marker. Okay, now it woke it up a little bit. I think I need a little more. Okay, I got a little something there. Not too much, just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, that's enough. And now we're going to write over this. Okay, there. Can't even see the A. What does it look like? Oh, it's one of those A's. Yeah, I know. Oh, I think it went down here. Oh, it dried. Okay. 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 I don't know why the A went way down there. It just did. It's very strange. Must have been in the rocking. That's it. It's in the rocking. Huh. All right. There we go. And a little bit there. A little bit there. There. Okay, that looks a little more like the word. Okay, not bad. Okay, it's not perfect, but it's not bad. We're going for the, the essence of it. It's not actually the word. It's just the essence. That's what we tell ourselves. Okay, so now we have that. Maybe we want to put some buttons on it like we did on our prototype. I'll just show you prototype again. It's over here. Now, obviously, this was longer. This one I didn't have as long of a piece. But see how you get very different looks depending on the material that you use. So maybe I want to put a black button at the top. Get that a little knobber. You don't have to use any buttons, but you can. You can if you want to. And so here, put some glue on this button. Or you can put the glue right on here, which is both are fine. There we go. And maybe we just want to put some other little buttons. This is kind of a cool little shell button. It's a little bendy. Oh, that's a cool side. You see that? What? Yeah, that's cool, huh? Yeah, that's kind of pretty. Okay, I think I'll put that down. So I'm going to use bigger buttons on this one for some reason. Maybe at the bridge point between a paper and a material. That's kind of fun. And then maybe some smaller buttons just because of, hey, we can do different sizes. Totally. How about this guy? It's nice to glue the flat part of the button on because it gives you more adherence. Just stick you here. I'm doing random positioning now. This is called no thought positioning. Yeah, just kind of like salt and peppered in there. Those down. Okay. And let me put that back. Now this. Okay, no, don't do that. Okay, I am going to work with the stickles or something like that. Let me go get something. And it was in the pinkish colors, right? Yeah, this is kind of that color. It doesn't have to be that color. It could be a contrasting color. But I just thought I'd bring this one in because it looks like it's flamingo. Maybe it'll go with this. Do I need to clear the deck? No, it's flowing. Okay, we're going to decorate this one down up. What can you see? Let me bring it a little closer. Okay. Down up, down up. So these are just tiny little accents. Kind of just fun stuff to do. We're just goofing around at this point. Yeah, that's what we're doing. This is classic goofing. We have 2 of these. Yeah, there we go. All the way around. A little bit in the center. Okay, so we're decorating that up a little bit. You can also come along at the junctures. Maybe just do some dotting between where the 2 pieces meet. Distinguishing the separation clearly to the audience that there is something new and different here. Look at us go. I know you gotta be very careful not to stick your finger in the stickles because it happens. It happens. Did I say it happens? It happens all the time. Every day. All over the world. Okay. Okay, got a little pizzazz on you. We'll put some here, just for fun. I'm goofing at this point. But you could just keep going with this stuff. It's really enjoyable to play with. So there you go. That's an easy way to make one of these. And you can just make them till the cows come home. And let me see if there's a little cow around right now that might have a few. He left. Where'd you go? Okay, I'm going to get him. Sunshine? Oh, you're snuggled in the pillows on the couch, trying to pretend like you're a pillow. I so see you, though, because of your little black nose. I know you want a belly rub. Okay, there's a belly rub. Now, we're going off to work. It's time for a pup date. Do you have any public service announcements? You do? Okay, well, let's see what you have to say. Because you really look like a sack of potatoes right now, like a very disinterested sack of potatoes. But we will see if he comes to life. Once you put that camera on him, let's see how he goes. All right, here, how close are we? Oh, hello, everybody. Sunshine here. Public service announcement from Cub Pup Reporter, reporting here from the Paper Outpost. Okay, so, yes, there was a squirrel in back. That's right, there was a squirrel. He was there. I saw him. He saw me. I approached quickly, as I do when I have a side job. It's called security dog. Don't spread it around. But yeah, so anyway, I was doing my security walk around the outside. Not outside, like inside the lanai. Not outside. Sunshine doesn't go outside. No, that's not true. Sunshine does go outside for walks, but he doesn't go out back where the gators are, where the lake is, because that would be bad. Because Sunshine is also known as Snack. And whenever, when I hear snack, I think happy thoughts. But it doesn't mean the same thing to everybody, because if you said the same thing to the gator, he would think of Sunshine. But we don't want that. No. So anyway, the squirrel was chased away by Sunshine. Thank you. Okay. Yes, that's pretty much what happened. It was exciting and riveting, and while Mama was having her coffee, the antics ensued. Yes, there were antics, and they ensued. Oh, your vocabulary is growing profoundly. Thank you, Mom. Okay, you're very welcome. All right, well, maybe all those, college dollars were not wasted. No, they were not wasted at all. I'd like to take some continuing education credits, because I think I need a little more training. Okay, well, we'll get you more, okay? Okay, thanks. All right, happy crafting, everybody, and we'll talk to you next time. Sunshine, out. Oh, that's your new thing? It's my new thing. Okay. Never a dull moment. What can I tell you? This is what happens when you don't get out of the house enough. Can anybody else relate? Oh my gosh. Okay, so everybody, welcome if you are new, and welcome back if you are. If you're not new, if you've been around with me for a little bit, I have a free monthly email newsletter. Did I ever mention that? Yeah, probably. The link is down below, as all the links live magically below here somewhere in some clickable something or other. The newsletter's free. You get a free digital image. You get a bunch of other free things. And then you get updates from me, tips on junk journaling, and a peek at the new DigiKits coming out every month, and other fun things. And then my videos come out Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays, 7 a.m. Eastern Time. My podcasts come out Tuesdays and Thursdays, new audio material. Yes, I know, a podcast about junk journaling. How crazy is that? It's also paper crafting, life of a crafter, and answering your crafty questions. Let's get a nice zoom in there. And, what else? Sorry, don't be going around too much. I have an Etsy shop where if you're looking for interesting things like journals, bundles, kits. Right now, I still have some. I can't really see it in this one. Let me get a different one. There's some in here. I know I have them. Not too many left, but there are some. Oh, no, can't see them in there either. Okay. Find one where you can see it. Can you see it? Yeah, here we go. Okay, well, I can see a little. No, you really can't see it. Okay, so anyway, this is what it is. It's a fabric pack. Trust me, there's fabric in here. There's over 40 pieces, and they're 8.5 or 8 by 10 or smaller. And then you also get, you get a triple bonus, a very old letter, at least 125-ish, around about there, years old, handwritten. You get, well, it's calligraphy. And you get a piece of vintage newspaper as well as a collection of vintage stamps. And you don't need a code or a coupon. It just automatically comes with that. And then also, I also have fundles. Oh, there's free priority shipping with these 2 products as well. Fundles are a collection of old and interesting paper. There's 100 plus pieces. And everything from antique ledger, checks, receipts, postcards, black and white photos, tea cards, all sorts of fun things, music paper, dictionary paper, really unique book pages, a lot of fun things, and great for use in junk journaling. Also, I have a print and mail service. If you like the idea of, I sell DigiKits, which are printable downloads. They're computer files that you purchase from me. There's 5 pages in each DigiKit, themed. There's over 200 themes right now. Birds, Victorian, dragonflies, butterflies, flowers, you name it, all sorts of them. Very fun. And see, if you don't have a printer or don't like to print, I have a print and mail service. All you need to do is buy the print and mail option, and then give me the names of the 10 DigiKits that you want. That will give you 50 printed pages on nice lightweight cardstock. So you can message me the list in Etsy, or you can email me the list to pam@thepaperoutpost.com, and all I need are the first 2 or 3 words of the name of the DigiKit, and then I'll know which one you're talking about. I have an Amazon shop if you're looking for favorite tools and supplies that you see me use here. Well, these look so beaten up, but they're so loved. That's mostly glue I got on there. But they work great. Any tools or anything like that, I have links to, I have an Amazon shop, the Paper Outpost Amazon shop. Just Google the Paper Outpost Amazon shop and you'll find it. And I have a favorite tools and supplies section, and you'll find links for the things that I can find links to. It is an affiliate link, but you do not pay more for the items for using my links, so thank you very much. And also, I have a t-shirt shop if you like the phrase create with reckless abandon, or everything is a craft supply until proven otherwise, and you can get that on a t-shirt, a sweatshirt, a zipped hoodie, a mug, a tote, or a water bottle. And great for gift giving for your friends, family, or other crafters. And you can find me on social media on Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, LinkedIn, or Facebook. Come and join our Facebook group. We're having a lot of fun over there doing weekly and monthly challenges, as well as seeing what you guys make from these videos. And let's see. Thank you very much to our admin and mods over there, because you're really helping us keep the place safe and happy and healthy for everybody. And also, most of all, remember that fun can be simple. And create with reckless abandon, everybody. Take care and have an awesome day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.